What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can use Sora AI for completely free. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to open up your Chrome browser and you have to type Sora AI, just like this. You have to search this, then you can see here is a bunch of website. What you need to do, you have to click on openai website, you have to click on the top website. So here is a Sora AI guys. This is the AI that will make videos from your text. You can see here is a text prompt. A stylish woman walks down on Tokyo. So this is the video from this text. So this is the as simple as that. You can create any video from with Sora AI. So to make videos with Sora AI for completely free, you have to wait some times until OpenAI released it publicly for free. So it is not available for everyone right now. You have to wait until they open it publicly and give the access to personal use for free. So I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.